Hey everyone, what's up? It's your good friend Jack here. Happy Friday. It is the 14th of July 2023, and we are back again with another Wax Daily video brought to you by Wax School and EOS Dublin. We've quite a bit to get through today, so I really want to start on Sunday, go to Saturday, then talk about what's happening today on Wax. Um, so let's just get started. Tales of the Cryptos has a mystery drop, which is something they normally do on a stream happening on Sunday. Head on over to the website to check it out, talesofthecrypto.co. Quite a cool project that we have mentioned here before as well. Jump back over to the calendar here as well. And on Saturday, Reward Runner have both common and rare drops. Not mentioned here is cat stickers, who are doing Catterday, and Future Relics. Futures Relic have been sent an increasingly scary letter, and they're basically looking for editors on payroll and interns to help out with that one. But today is Friday, so we briefly went over what's happening at the weekend. Nice little bit happening. But today is Friday, like I said, and not only do Encryptia, so we spoke about Encryptia, I have the tab open here for it. Oh, that's Reward Runner. Encryptia are doing hands gear packs today. If you've played the game, you know you can equip your character with different NFTs at the start. Hands gear packs for Encryptia today, and that's powered by Taco on Wax. And the big one, the main feature of today's video, is the Drawn Company's Karen Burger launch. So the promo for that is happening today. So let's not, it's the promo happening today that everyone is to get involved with. I think the main launch is happening in another week or two. Take a look at the website, drawncompany.com. You'll get all the information about what is happening, what is the Karen Burger launch, what does it entail. Standard stuff, buyer packs. You can blend food vans. You can use these food vans to blend restaurants, and you can stake your food vans in restaurants to earn, basically, you know. So obviously the more food vans you have staked to restaurants, the higher yields you can get on, or the higher returns you can make when you stake. A little bit more on that at NFTopia, 28 of the 723. Hoping to do a little something for that myself, but definitely check this one out. Drawn Company, Karen Burger promo drop happening today, as well as much more on Wax. That's another quick video for you today. It is Friday. It's me, your good friend Jack, signing off again. Wax on, everyone.